Well, welcome back. And in this story titled Sarvajnaha, Sarvajnaha means one who knows everything. Jnaha, Jnaha means one who knows. Sarvam yaha janati saha Sarvajnaha, Sarvajnaha. Okay. कस्यचित् महाराजस्य समीपे कश्चित् मेधावी महामंत्री आसीत्. मेधावी, here scanning mistake. कस्यचित् महाराजस्य समीपे, with some king. कश्चित् मेधावी महामंत्री आसीत्. Some very intelligent minister was there. Mahamantri may be prime minister. सः वार्धक्य कारणतः, कः महाराजः वार्धक्य कारणतः, because of old age, पदवीतः, from the king's post, निवृत्तिं प्राप्तुं, to get retired, अभिलषितवान्, he wished. तदा राजा समर्थम् अन्यं तत् स्थाने योजयितुं एतं वृद्धं मन्त्रिणम् एव सूचितवान्. तदा, when the king wanted to get retired from the king's post, राजा समर्थम् अन्यं तत् स्थाने योजयितुं, to post or to place another person in the king's position, समर्थम् अन्यं, who is capable, एतं वृद्धं मन्त्रिणम् एव सूचितवान्. He told to this very intelligent old minister. राज्ये एतद् विषये प्रकटनं कृतम्. And in the kingdom, regarding this appointment of a king's post, announcement was done. प्रकटनं कृतम्. बहवः मन्त्रिस्थानम् अभिलषन्तः आगताः. Oh, मन्त्रिस्थानम्. Okay, here Saha means that Mahamantri. So Mahamantri wanted to retire from the post. Tada, then Raja Samartham Manyam Tat Sthane. Then the king asked himself only to place or to post another competent person. Okay. Bahavaha Mantri Sthanam Abhilashantaha Agataha. Many people came for that minister's post. Kintu dau vina अन्ये सर्वे परीक्षायां अनुत्तीर्णाः. But किंतु दौ विना, without two people, अन्ये सर्वे, all others, परीक्षायां अनुत्तीर्णाः, means they failed in the exam. उत्तीर्णौ द्वौ तु सर्वसमर्थौ, and those two people who passed, they are सर्वसमर्थौ, they are capable in everything. मंत्रिस्थानार्थं तु एकः एव अपेक्षितः. But for the post of minister, only one is required. अतः मंत्री कांचित् परीक्षाम् आयोजितवान्. So the minister arranged for some exam. उभौ अपि रत्नखचित सिंहासनस्य समीपं नीत्वा, उभौ अपि, taking both of them, रत्नखचित सिंहासनस्य समीपं means the king's chair, which is studded with the gems. नीत्वा, having taken them, उक्तवान्, told, भवन्तौ पूर्वे कृतासु परीक्षासु समानतया उत्तीर्णौ. You two people, bhavantau, पूर्वे कृतासु परीक्षासु, on the exams done earlier, समानतया, equally, उत्तीर्णौ, both of you got equal marks. येषा अन्तिमा परीक्षा, this is the last exam. सर्वं जानामि इति यस्य आत्मविश्वासः अस्ति. I know everything, सर्वं जानामि इति यस्य आत्मविश्वासः अस्ति. Like that, who is having self-confidence, सः तस्मिन् आसने उपविशतु. And that person who feels that I know everything, you sit in that chair. Tadartham kshanamatrasya avakashaha iti. And for that, you are given a very short time to think over that. Tat क्षणे एव एकः गत्वा तस्मिन् रत्नखचिते सिंहासने उपविष्टः. Immediately on that very second, when the minister told that, one of the person who sat on that chair, अन्यः तु तत्रैव अविचलतया स्थितः आसीत्. But the other person, अन्यः तु tatraiva, there only, avichalataya, without any movement, without any shaking, sthitaha asid, he stood there. Vriddhaha mantri dvitiyam maharaja samipam nitva yetam mantristhane niyojayitum arhati bhavan iti niveditavan. Vriddhaha mantri, the old minister, Dutiyam Maharaja Samipam Nitva, taking the second person who did not sit on the chair, Yetam Mantristhane Niyojayatum Arhati Bhavan. You can appoint him in the minister's post. Iti Niveditavan. Like that, he informed. Why? There is no one in this world who knows everything. Yaha sarvam janati shaha ishvaraha. मानवाः कोपि सर्वं न जानाति. अल्पज्ञः भवितुम् अर्हति, किञ्चिज्ञः भवितुम् अर्हति, विज्ञः भवितुम् अर्हति, परन्तु सर्वज्ञः भवितुम् नार्हति. That is the nice story. I will meet you in some other news story. Take care. Bye bye.